Welcome. If you want to get Facebook Lite on your Huawei smartphone without Google services, I'm going to show you how you can get it in the release way. So we need the second smartphone with the Play Store, and on my right side I got the Huawei P30 Pro. So right here I just downloaded the Facebook Lite and the application is right here. And of course we need the second application to transfer data, Phone Clone. So if you got both apps, you have to open it on both devices. Click this is the old phone on the smartphone with the Play Store and the new phone on your smartphone without the Google services. Right now you have to select the old phone type, so in my case I pick up the Huawei, but if you got Samsung, LG, Sony or any other brand, you have to click here the other Android. So right now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this code and also we can input the password manually if you have any problem with your camera. I'm going to scan the code and right now they are connecting, so we have to just wait. Click to unselect all, scroll down, click on the apps and the data. Right now we have to find our application and it will be right here. So select, click OK, tap transfer, input your log method. And right now just click finished and we can check if it is working. Okay, we have to turn on the Wi-Fi. I just forgot to do this, so right now we can try again. And as you can see right now we can easily log in to our account. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!